If you've seen ads for the Clenzy Vitamin Diffuser vape, you've probably noticed how it's marketed as a nicotine-free alternative that promises to help you quit smoking while still keeping the familiar ritual of vaping. But does it really live up to the hype, or is it just another cleverly packaged product? On the surface, Clenzy claims to be different from things like nicotine gum or patches by addressing not only the chemical side of addiction, but also the behavioral habits that keep people hooked. That idea might sound appealing, but when you look closer, there are quite a few concerns. For starters, the company makes bold health claims about the benefits of inhaling vitamins, yet none of those claims are backed up by verified research or medical evidence. Many of their promotional images appear to be AI-generated, which raises doubts about how genuine their marketing really is. And even the contact details on their website are questionable, making it harder for customers to trust them if something goes wrong. On top of that, they've been tied to false media mentions, citing coverage that doesn't actually exist, which is a big warning sign for any online shopper. The customer feedback that's out there is also very mixed. Some Reddit users shared that they received their order quickly and noticed it helped them reduce their nicotine intake, but others reported long delays in shipping, unhelpful or non-existent customer support, and a noticeably weaker throat hit compared to standard vapes, which left them disappointed. Taken together, these details paint a picture that isn't entirely positive or entirely negative. Clenzy isn't a total scam, but it's not a fully reliable or proven solution either. The bottom line is that while it might work for a few people, there are enough red flags, questionable claims, and inconsistent reviews that anyone considering it should proceed with caution before handing over their money.